I already communicated with the Director PSPG in the event na mga ilangan ng security si General Bantag, then the PNP is very willing to provide.
Mahalaga pa rin sa Philippine National Police na matiyak ang seguridad ni suspended Bureau of Corrections Chief Gerald Bantag. Kaya naman ayon kay PNP Chief Police General Rodolfo Azurin Jr., kung matitiyak nila ang kaligtasan ni General Bantag, mas madaling uusad ang kaso nito.
Kasi of course we also wanted their safety so that they can face the charges that was filed against them, so that we would really know who are the persons responsible in the killing of Percy Lapid as well as John Villamor.
Sinabi ni Chief PNP, wala pa namang lumalabas na warrant of arrest laban kay Bantag at Ricardo Sulveta, kaya't maaari pa silang bigyan ng proteksyon ng PNP.
Sila ay open sa vulnerable sila ngayon. So ang ano dyan is if they feel that they need security, sabi ko nga, we are willing to provide at their own choice kung sino yung police na gusto nilang mag-provide ng security sa kanila. Dahil ang hinahanap po natin dito ay katarungan, hindi lamang sa mga namatay, but justice din para sa kanila.
Sakali naman aniyang ilabas ng korte ang warrant of arrest, bubuo ang PNP ng tracker team na maghahanap sa kanila.
In the event na lumabas yung kanilang may warrant of arrest sila, definitely there will be tracker teams to look for them. So far ngayon, sabi ko nga, lahat yan ay we are just monitoring, we are just validating mga informations kung nasaan sila dahil the case has been filed direct ordinary filing, so we have yet to wait for the determination of prima facie evidence by the prosecutor's office.
Sakali namang lumabas sa investigasyon na may iba pang personalidad na sangkot sa pagpaslang kay Percy Lapid, handa naman ang pambansang pulisya na muling magsampa ng kaso.
The investigation stops at Gerald Bantag, but sabi ko nga, in the event that there are new evidences that will surface later on that would pinpoint other personalities, then we are willing to file a supplemental affidavit and at the same time file additional charges against kung may mga i-charge pa po tayo.
Leia Ilagan, UNTV, News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.